Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can use edmodo classes and how you can make a small group and what are the benefits from doing these things. First of all, this is my home page. As you can see here on the left side, I have all my classes I created for this year. So I will choose to work on the Design and Technology V19 class. When you click on this class, it takes you to the page for that class. Then from here, also from the left side, you can create small group. Now, what are the benefits of doing small group? I used to use small groups for making some differentiation in class. If I have different groups of students' abilities and skills, so I can classify them into different groups. And then I can target each group based on their abilities and skills. For example, small group, the first small group I'm going to create, I will call them, let's say, group A. Okay, then I click on create. I give it a name that is related to my goal from creating that group. So group A, I can share with them specific posts, which is only for that group, folders, and I can add specific members. Now, from where I can add the members, I can add members from the big group to the small group. You can add all your students to that small group from the big group, which is Design and Technology, or you can select specific students or members. Add members to small group. I'll click on this. Then it will give me the names of all the students that are in the big group. They already joined the big group, which is the Design and Technology group. So I can click on this, and that. I choose based on the basic. I classified my students based on what? I click on add. So in this group, I have me as the teacher and Faris, Muhammad, and Hamid. What if I want to add one more group? I will create another small group and I will call it group B. Create. Then if I want also to add members, click on members, add members to small group. Then I choose the students I want. Okay, what if I want to add the same student to different groups? Yes, I'm able to do this. Fine. Then click on add. Whatever I'm going to post to this group, group B, it will be sent only to these students. Now, what are the benefits of doing these groups? Not only for classifying based on their skills and abilities for differentiation, I can also make it for gamification. For example, I can create a group called level 1. Okay, then let's say I'm teaching design and technology, or I'm teaching graphic design. So I can send to level 1. I can add all the students from the Design and Technology, the big group. Okay, add all members, add them. So I will have all the students here. Then I can post for them the first task, which is a very easy task. Once they finish, I can level them up to level 2 group, for example. Then I will add to level 2 group more difficult tasks to be done by the students, and so on. So you can use it for gamification, for leveling up your students, or for differentiation. Let's say you have special educational needs students in your class, so you can just put them in a specific group or add them to a specific group with the specific tasks that targets them, and so no one can see whatever they are doing, so they will not feel like it's done in public. There is some privacy for them. And at the same time, you can add, if there is any shadow teacher, you can add the teacher as well to that group. So they are still in the big group, okay, but they are targeted in the small group. Thank you.